guys, I hope you're all doing well today. So usually I show you how I grow food. Today I show you how to get rid of food in a good way, which grows in abundance in your garden, and the family doesn't want to eat the healthy salad or lettuce anymore, and the chickens don't like it or don't eat it as well. So yeah, let's produce a super healthy fertilizer for your garden. It's very quick and easy, straightforward. I show you how I do it. It makes huge difference for your veggie patch, for your garden. So yeah, let's get into it. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Hit the notification bell if you still didn't. And yeah, now let's get straight into it. Okay, so we need the bucket or two, depends. It looks like it's really a lot. This is the longevity spinach, very healthy, great sort of spinach, perennial. You can eat it raw and in stir fries as well. So it grows really in abundance here. So we don't need that much. I'm always throwing it to the chickens as well and to the ducks. They eat some of it, but they also got a lot of food, so they don't want it as well as much. So let's do a nice spinach tea for our garden. And the more you cut, the more and better it will grow. So, that will do. We have trimmed it a little. Okay. So the next step you have to do, it's just adding water up to the top. Yes, hello, Loki. Okay, lid on and forget about it for now. So, and here we are again, 2 weeks later. I was stirring it maybe twice in between. And let's have a look what we've got now. What a beauty. Best quality fertilizer for your garden beds, for your veggies, for anything, for your bushes, for your all edibles, all kinds of edibles. You can just water it with it, but bleh, it's stinky. So don't put it over your greens. Just put it in on the garden bed next to the greens, not necessarily on top of the leaves you want to eat because it stinks. But it's doing lots of goodness. It's lots of goodness and doing really good to all your edibles in the garden. So yeah, that's what it is. I will take the sticks, that's what it's the larger parts. I will take them out and put them like they will work like as a mulch. And in your garden you look around, who wants to get the remaining stuff, the mulch from the soup, and I go with the young apple tree today. Put it here. And it will thank me for this. So that's all. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please put a thumb up for me, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for the next notifications, and I wish you all the best with your projects, and see you next time. Bye.